Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to install the last roof fan vent, which is the Dometic Mini Heki S. The S version is a little bit different. It is also the last cut I need to make on the roof of the van. This is the Dometic Mini S. It's quite different from the Dometic Mini Heki. Because it's not a skylight style, but it's like a mushroom style opening. In this position, it's basically all the way open. You cannot open more than that, which is fine because on top of this I have the solar panel. I know it's clear and it doesn't make much sense because with the solar panel on top I cannot see the sky and no sunlight can get in, but because I can lift the solar panel, then maybe it can make some sense, So because the roof is not flat, you need some kind of trick to mount this flash on the roof. Some people just made a little pieces of anything to to fill the gaps. Other people just fill the gaps with Sikaflex. I don't like those solutions. Instead, now you can buy adapters made from different brands. Even from Dometic itself, they sell an adapter, but they are kind of pricey. It's like spending $100 for a piece of plastic. It doesn't make sense. So I designed it myself based on the curvature of the roof, and this is the result. I have a CNC machine, so I mill it from a sheet of PVC. It was 15mm thick, and then I mill it down. So basically what I have right now, it's a really flat surface where I can glue the Mini Heki S on it. And this part right here, it's designed exactly on the size of the roof, of course, but also with the same curvature, because it's not a big curvature, but there is like you can see maybe here, this part right here is thinner than this. That's my plan. This goes on top of this one. It's black because I didn't find the white one, but I found the white one later on when I had to make those things here. Same style adapter for two junction boxes for all the wires, because I have a lot of things on the roof. I need some kind of way to enter the van, but because I have so many cables, not just the usual two wires from the solar panel, I need something more. I think it's more practical and safe to do, at least with my electrician mind, because that's my job. There's a seal underneath the box. The adapter will be glued on the roof, and there is a big opening inside which I can always inspect to see if there is a leakage or if I need to add a wire. So enough talking, let's do something. Okay, so finally the adapter is on with the butyl tape. It sticks very strongly. The only thing I need to do, using some Sikaflex like this one, same as the one I used for the Max Air fan over there. I will use this one just on the outside here. The frame itself is going down here, but before, as per instruction, you need to pour something in here like this, you know. But because this piece right here may break over time, I'm not gonna use Sikaflex, but this one instead, which is still from Sika, but it's called Sika Elastomer 710 butyl sealant. So it's basically the same thing as this one, but it's more soft, so you can use the gun, but you still can remove it without any problem in future if I will need to replace, you know, the frame. It's easier to remove this one than actual glue. So it's very sticky. So now I have to decide if I want to have basically the two handle this way on this way. I think I want to have it like this, just a preference. So let's see if I can squeeze this down. Okay, it's a bit of a mess, but this is not gonna come out, of course, because there is no screw on the outside like other type of vent. This one needs to be clamped with the inside frame, so you can screw and clamp it, you know, on the between the roof and the finishing floor. So I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm gonna just use the Sikaflex to finish the outside here. I'm not gonna bother too much between the adapter and the actual frame of the vent, because there is a good almost 1 centimeter above the metal, so water should not go past this, you know. And also because it's under the solar panels, it doesn't rain over it, right? Oh, but by the way, those are the bracket for the roof rack. I made those by myself, and I have a video about those. I already installed them off camera because I need to measure when I was doing the actual roof rack. So there is some footage and video, but it's a topic for the next episode. Ready? Go. I redid the pointer more flat. I use a hammer to make it flatter, and the V-shape cut, it's smaller. Let's see how it goes. Oh, way better. Oh yeah, that's way better. Okay, I think I found the trick. Yes, I like it. Let me show you. So just one pass, perfect. Can you see it in focus? Perfect compared to before. Okay, I have just one thing left. I need to remove and clean over here, and then put the cover on. Let's do it. I'm gonna just lay this on the first one. Do the first one from here. Okay. So let me go inside. Oh yes, beautiful. What do you think? So now I have the two electric boxes. I'm not sure if I can do it today because it's really windy. Maybe I will do it tomorrow. That's from the inside. You just boom. Here we go. Beautiful. Okay, I'm here on the roof doing the last two cut. I already tape it up and I'm ready to cut. So I'm not gonna bother you too much because it's exactly the same process. So I will show you just the results. Two holes so I can fit my jigsaw, and the hole is done. I put a box underneath like before to catch the shavings. Okay, so here's the hole finished, ready and clean to apply. You know, this is the box. It goes like this. As you can see, the box itself is attached with some screws inside here and the 4 bolt outside with a sheet of rubber as a gasket. So now I just apply underneath like before the butyl tape, stick it on. I will finish the other one, which is the same. I will apply the Sikaflex all around on the same time.
A few moments later.
Two boxes are done, very strong. Even just the butyl tape, it's super strong. I'm going to run around with the Sikaflex like I did for the vent. I'm almost there. Just last few bits of Sikaflex and then I can call it a day. Okay guys, for today is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!